So my Trunk Club box arrived today. I'm very excited to open it up and see all the items that I pretty much already previewed, but to actually see them in person and then try them on. So stick around. Hey everybody, welcome back to Suzanne Subscriptions. Today I got my Trunk Club, so I'm quite excited to see all the items that I was able to preview that my stylist sent me and actually try them on and see if I like them. So for March, I ended up asking my stylist to send some, items that could be interchanged between work and home and on weekends. So what I saw in my preview list was a few spring dresses, which I am looking forward to trying. I'm really looking forward to spring, so we'll see how those look. And then there was a few pairs of jeans, and then there was a very much a work outfit where you got a blouse and a pair of trousers, and then I think there was even a pair of boots. So I'm looking forward to see how all these items fit. One of the first spring dresses that I got is this cute navy blue dress. It's from Eliza J, and it's called Flit and Flare, and you can kind of tell because it's pretty short. So it's got a really flared out bottom, and so it comes above the knees, and overall it's definitely cute. I like the color. I don't have a lot of navy dresses, and the feel of this, the material is quite nice as well. And then on the back, it's got a cute little detail where it's got kind of a triangle and then a button neck. And it fits very, formally over in your stomach area, midsection area. Overall, it was a nice dress, a little too short for me to wear to work. So this is something I definitely wear out to a family function, I suppose. But again, it's a little short for my taste and a little too flared on the bottom. And then the arms, right now, unfortunately, the arms cut a little too short and tight into my arms, so I didn't love it. But overall, it was a cute dress. Again, this is Liza J, and this, let's see, the price ends up being $118. So my second dress is a black dress that's got really cute lace on the top, and it's kind of got a rib material that you can see, and it's another fit and flare type dress, a little longer though. And then on the back, it actually does have a zipper that's viewable, very silver zipper detail as well. I really like this dress. I liked how it fit. I like the feel of it. It's very comfy and, moves with you. The only part that I'm having a hard time envisioning is that I don't know, I obviously wouldn't wear this without some type of cardigan or, sweater of some sort to go over it when I'm at work. But I could see myself wearing this in spring at work as well. I just don't have enough functions during the year where this probably will be used. It is a very, very cute dress. I really do like it. And this is from Gabby Sky, and it's $108, and it's a pin tuck fit and flare dress. Okay, and then my last dress I got is very cute. I just love the color of it. It's a Vince Camuto, and I always end up liking clothes from that line. And again, it's got this cute pleat detail, this gold little circle design. It's very cute. I really do end up did end up liking it. It is a jacquard fit and flare dress again, and in ivory, and it's $148. With this one, while I did like it, it was unfortunately just too tight because it's a very more form-fitting. It's not movable when you look in the inside. It doesn't stretch. It's that kind of material. It's going to just have to fit. And so this one was just way too tight around my midsection area. And then it seemed a little too full in the skirt area. Just seemed like it didn't lay well enough with my body type. So this one, while I love the look of it, I just don't think I'll end up keeping. Okay, now on to one of the blouses that I received. Very spring-like. When I saw this in my preview, I thought, oh, that's really cute, really makes me feel springy. This is a Michael Kors. This is a springtime floral design, and you can kind of see it's got this ruffle pattern on the bottom. It's got these big bell arms with the ruffle on the ends. And underneath is just a purple, real dark purple cami that you can see. And it just ties in here and actually has little buttons that you can undo and then, you know, pop in if you want. But this was really cute. It was a little baggier than I'm used to wearing, but that was kind of the look of it, is that it's meant to be flowy and very, you know, it makes me very much feel like springtime. And I liked it. I did really like it. The only thing, let's see here before I forget. So that was Michael Kors springtime floral top, and that's $110. She also did send me a pair of slacks to wear with it, and she, you know, specifically outlined that you would pair these together. So these are, oh my gosh, Sayor, and these are $89. A navy pea coat pair of slacks, trousers, whatever you want to call them. And they've got the two pockets in the back. And it's very much that material. And these go right down to your ankle. Or at least on me with my hem. But these, while I love the look of them, I almost feel like these are similar to the ones I got last month from the stylist last time, where they just do not flatter my body type. They fit everywhere, but then they are too bulky kind of in my legs, hip area, and they just do not flatter me, and they make me look, I think, heavier than what I am, and I don't need that. I need all the help I can get, not the opposite. So while I love the top, I definitely wouldn't want to wear them with these slacks. I would need a much more form-fitting, more sleek pant, and that's hard to find, so I'm going to have to keep looking. Okay, now on to the two pairs of jeans she sent. I was really looking forward to trying on these jeans because I've really been, over the last several months, looking for a good pair of jeans to keep. And so the first pair are what's called slink jeans, so a black pair. These are a curvy style, ankle jegging. And from the look of them, I was really excited to try these on. A nice black color. And, when they have kind of curvy written, I already feel good because that's going to fit my body type a little bit more, hopefully. And these come in at $98. And overall, I don't know, they just didn't fit properly. I don't know if it's that I'm too short and they're meant to be on somebody a little taller, because around the ankles didn't seem to fit, form-fitting around my ankle. And then around the waist and hip area, they just seemed, again, not so flattering. They didn't hold tight enough to my body. And so I unfortunately just wasn't happy with how they fit. So I definitely will have to return these as well. This pair of jeans are cut from the cloth in Diana, a skinny jean. And these were a cool looking wash, and they go all the way down to your ankle, and they have a normal hem on the bottom. These are $98. I was looking forward to these jeans. They seem like a real nice quality pair of jeans. Unfortunately, I just don't think they fit me in the way I want my jeans that I'm going to, spend $100 on to fit and feel. They almost worked. They were just a little too big in some areas and then not in others. And I'm just still on the search for that pair of jeans that's going to fit perfectly. I might be dreaming and never, it's a pipe dream. I'm never going to find them, but I'm going to keep looking. And then my stylist threw in something I've never gotten through Trunk Club before, is a jacket. So kind of a spring jacket. This could even be for spring and fall. And this is kind of a quilted material, it feels like to me. And let's see, it's called a Calvary Fly Right Quilt Jacket, $199. It's got buttons and a zipper detail. Inside is a tannish color, Barbour brand. And, I didn't mind this jacket. When you have it on and you have it zippered, it's kind of got this cute little ruching in the back that makes it feel very when I saw it in the mirror, it looks very fitted and very tailored to my body, so it fit very nice. The part that I didn't like is once I opened it and unzipped it, it looked very bulky. It did not look form-fitting anymore, and it just felt too bulky. And so for that reason, and for the fact that it's $200, I want to make sure it fits well. I'm not going to purchase this. Okay, then my stylist did throw in a pair of boots. So these are, it looked to me like riding boots, right? This is a whiskey color, and these are Sam Edelman whiskey penny boot. And these come in at $149. Very cute. Really do like the color. And at first glance, I was like, oh, good. They have a little bit of a wide calf stretch to it. But unfortunately, that little bit of fabric was not enough for me. I do have more thicker, muscular kind of calves, and they wouldn't zip up to the top. They got stuck around here when I tried them on without a pair of jeans underneath. And with a pair of jeans, I got stuck more down here. So that's my dilemma always when I try to buy a nice pair of high boots is, can I zip them up properly? So these, unfortunately, I have to return. But they're super cute if you can fit them on. I definitely think that they're cute to wear. Well, that was my Trunk Club box for the month of March. Out of my 9 items, I'm pretty sure I'm going to end up keeping that purple and white floral springtime blouse. I did like that a lot. And then the only other item I'm considering is that black dress with the lace detail on the top and that zipper, back. I did like that as well, but I got to think about how often I'm going to be able to wear that this year and, comparison to the price and make sure it makes sense. But the rest of the items, I just don't feel fit me well. They didn't flatter me well. So I definitely need to give my stylist a little bit more feedback about things I feel fit my body type and things I don't feel fit well. So I got to do a little bit better job in my comments back to the stylist. But make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you've bought any of these items, how you think they look. If you think I'm, making a mistake and not buying something, make sure you comment and let me know. Otherwise, make sure to hit that subscribe button and then ring that little bell so you get notified the next time I have another subscription box. And I'll keep making these videos. I do enjoy them. So thank you guys for watching.